at Byteburst Engineering. Subscribe. How to create external load balancer in Windows using AWS. Create an instance by clicking Launch Instance. Now enter name. Search Windows Server 2019 base. Click Select. Scroll down. Click on Create New Key Pair. Enter key pair name. Make sure to select double quotes.pm. Click on Create Key Pair. Make sure to select Allow HTTP traffic from the Internet. Click on Launch Instance. Wait for some time. Scroll down. Click View All Instances. Refresh for it to have check passed. It takes long time. By that time we will launch another instance. Enter instance name. Search Windows Server 2019 base. Click on Select. Click Create New Key Pair. Enter key pair name. Make sure to select double quotes.pm. Click on Create Key Pair. Again, make sure to select Allow HTTP traffic from the Internet. Click Launch Instance. Wait for some time. Go back to Instances. Now refresh till status check is showing to have check passed. Select Instance, click Connect. Click RDP Client. Click Download Remote Desktop File. Click on Get Password. Click Upload Private Key File. Select the key. Click Open. Now click Decrypt Password. Copy password and save in Notepad. Click on Download Remote Desktop File. Open our DB file. Click Connect. Now paste the password we pasted in Notepad. Click OK. Click Yes. Now we will see how to install AWS Server. Go to Start. Click Server Manager. Refresh for some time. Now, click Manage. Select Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Again, click Next. Now, select Web Server IS. Click Add Features. Click Next. Again, click Next. Click Next. Now, click on Install to install AWS Server. Wait for some time. Click Close. Close Server Manager. Open File Explorer. Go to C Drive. Open inetpub. Open Word. Now, create new text file. Open the text file created. Enter, for example, this is my website 1. Save as index.attl. Click Save. Close all tabs. Now again we should connect instance 2. Install AWS Server and create webpage. Go to Connect. Click our DP client. Click Download Remote Desktop File. Click Get Password. Click on Upload Private Key File. Select the key pair. Click Open. Now password is visible. Copy password and paste in Notepad. Open our DP file. Click Connect. Paste password which we saved in Notepad. Click Yes. Wait for some time. Click Windows. Click Server Manager. Refresh again and again. Go to Manage. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next for 3 steps continuously. Now select Web Server IS. Click Add Features. Click Next. Now click on Install. Wait for some time. Click Close. Close tab. Open File Explorer. Open Local Disk, C. Open inetpub. Open wroot. Create new text file. Open text file. Enter "This is my website too." Click File. Click Save As. Save the file as index.attl. Click Save. Close Alt tab, go back to US. Scroll left tab and select Target Groups. Go to Target Groups. Click Create Target Groups. Scroll down. Enter target group name. Now go down. Select AVPC. Click Next. Select both instance. Click Include as pending below. Click Create Target Group. Click Actions. Select Associate with the new Load Balancer. Enter Load Balancer name. Go to Network Mapping. Select all mappings if you're not sure which to select. Go to Security Groups. Close Default Security Group. Refer to instance which we created for Wizard. Now, select any one wizards. Select a target group greater than target 1. Click Create Load Balancer. Click View Load Balancer. Refresh once. Select Load Balancer, which we created now. Now copy DNS. Go to Target Groups. Select Target 1. Click Targets. Click Refresh till Health Status shows Healthy. Now Health Status available. Now paste the DNS link in browser. Refresh is again, you can see both web page. Now connect any one instance. Select any one instance. Click Connect. Click RDP Client. Click Download Remote Desktop File. Open RDP file. Go to Notepad and copy the password we saved. Click Connect. Paste the password now. Click OK. Click Yes. Create new text file. Enter a bat. Save file as a bat. Now close Notepad. Open this file. Now we are creating load manually. Now refresh, you can see both website alternative. Successfully completed load balancer. At Byteburst Engineering. Subscribe. At Byteburst Engineering. Like.